chapter number 9, business models. Okay, in that chapter we'll learn history of business models, various types of business models, and then what are the startups and how internet of thing can help to develop a business. Okay, so that can be seen in this chapter. Now see, history of business model. We are having some history of business. Okay, we are having some history of business. We are following some models to run that businesses. Okay, and some businesses are startup businesses, some businesses are established, well established businesses, right? And some characteristics we have to follow while dealing with a business, and some models we have to follow. So history of business, which we can start. History of a business. What is the history of a business? What is the business? Okay, it is a hypothesis about a customer want. Hypothesis means it is a consideration of a business, of a customer wants, how they want it, and how an enterprise and can organize to best meet to those needs. Whatever the customer needs are there, that we have to fulfill in the business. We have to behave like customer is our god, right? And with that consideration, we have to fulfill the customer's need, and then for that service the customer will paid, and you will be called as entrepreneur, or that method or that concept will be called as your business. Okay, but the business motto is always to make a profit. Whatever you are doing, whatever satisfying you are satisfying your customer, that should be for profitable, your profit based thing. Okay, so this definition brings together a number of factors. Obviously, to run a business we have to take consideration of various factors. Okay, first example, or first factor is your group of people. Group of people means which type of customers do you get, right? Which type of customer. That means suppose you are you are doing a business of like suppose let's take example of suppose Chandrama's creativity. Okay, now Chandrama has various creativity in like art field, right? So she is a artist, right? She makes very good painting and craft also. Okay, but if she sell that crafts, if she sell that painting, which customer will approach her? Which type of customer will approach her? That customer.
Ma'am, who are more interested.
Yes, that customers who are more interested in artistic work. Okay, creativity. They are creativity. Okay, they are interested in creativity. That type of customer will approach Chandrama very easily. If you put a status on WhatsApp, she will get know whoever is interested in my work, whoever is interested in artistic work. Okay, so the first factor will be your customer. The second factor is need of a customer. You know the customer's need. That means you have to apply your artistic work, you have to apply your mind to fulfill the customer. Okay, just to draw a sketch, just whatever you are whatever coming to your in your mind, and that you are sketching, it is not important. If you are trying to do business, at that time you have to think about your customers thinking. You have to think about your customers thinking. That means what? If the customer wants nature painting, if the customer wants any like object painting. Okay, so according to the customer need, according to the customer mind, we have to change our art, or you can say we have to change our factors of doing business. right? So the second factor will be the need of customer. That means we have to think about the customer's need, and we have to try to fill that customer's need. Third thing is the thing that your business can do meet those needs. Yes, you are doing business, okay? Your motto is profit, right? A success criteria such as making a profit. That means you are doing business for a profit purpose, okay? So if you are getting a profit, that means again you have to meet the customer needs, right? Whatever the customer needs are there, that you have to meet, okay? So the third thing will be try to meet the customer needs. Then fourth is organizational practice that help to achieve this goal and able to be carry on doing so sustainably. Means whatever the needs you are getting from a customer, that needs you have to fulfill, and that is your motto. To complete that goal, to complete that motto, your structural practice, your organizational practices should be good. That means whichever environment you are following, whichever organization you are following. Like suppose example, for example, you are going, Chandrama is going for some event, okay? Last year she made very good sketches, okay, in that various different types of events, okay? So when she goes there, when she went there, she first her first approach is to take the consideration of this theme, okay? Whatever the theme is there, like a woman, girl prevention theme is there, or water prevention theme is there. So she first think about their theme, okay? She first analyze that theme, and then after she sketch the painting, or she draws the painting, right? So with this we can say that if you are doing business, or if you are satisfying your customer, at that time you have to follow some rules and regulation, and that rules and regulation should be between your organizational practice also and your structural practice also. Organization means जो भी place आपको दिया गया है. For example, in college you are sketching the painting, right? So whatever college will provide you, at that material, in that material only you have to draw the sketch, right? So that is your organizational practice. Structural practice means, in some structural practice means, in, like for example, they have given you the 1 hour, right? That only in that only 1 hour you have to sketch that drawing, right? So that is your structural practice. So whenever you are meeting the business goals, or you are making some profit, at that time the history, or you can say the factors whichever you want to consider while doing the business, okay? Then gift economies develop where those with the appropriate skills can provide their products or services and accept repayments of this obligation, not immediately but with a gift of comparable worth later. That means now you can say that not necessary every business is deal with a money. Every business deal with a money only. Okay, ऐसे जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बिजनेस में सिर्फ मनी ही आपको, लाइक रिटर्न में सिर्फ आपको रुपीज ही चाहिए. दैट इज नॉट देयर. समहाउ ऐसे हो सकता है सर्विसेज, आप किसी को सर्विसेज दे रहे हो तो बदले में आप कोई सर्विसेज खरीद रहे हो, राइट? दैट इज ऑल्सो अ बिजनेस. यस और नो? That is also a
Yes,
business,
ma'am.
right? If you are giving some services and you are getting some rewards. For example, चंद्रमा का एग्जांपल ले लें. चंद्रमा ने कॉलेज के लिए कुछ डिजाइन, कुछ डायग्राम्स या फिर कुछ स्केच बनाए, और बदले में कॉलेज ने उसको एक ट्रॉफी गिफ्ट किया, right? So it is a repayment, right? It is a repayment, but it is not in money format. It is in like respect format, you can say, or it can be in any product format. Okay, so this is also a business. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल यूट्यूब पे आप जो भी वीडियोस डाल रहे हो, या फिर कोई सपोज आपने कुछ क्रिएटिविटी बनाया, उसका वीडियोस आपने यूट्यूब पे अपलोड किया, यूट्यूब आपको पैसा देने वाला है? यस और नो? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, बट आफ्टर सर्टन लाइक्स,
Yes, ma'am. Popular होएगा तो yes, ma'am, वो मिलना
yes,
चाहिए.
okay, but after some criteria, right? But whenever, but what what thing they will give you, like in repayment format, they will give you the reputation, राइट? आप यूट्यूब पे हो, आपने यूट्यूब पे कुछ वीडियोस अपलोड किए हैं एंड वो अगर उसके व्यूज अगर लैक्स में है, करोड़्स में है, दैट मीन्स दे आर गिविंग यू द रेपुटेशन, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ बिजनेस. अदरवाइज यूट्यूब को क्या पड़ा है कि वो सबको ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दे और बोले हाँ आप आपका क्रिएटिविटी वहाँ पे अपलोड करो, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ बिजनेस. ओके, now space and time. While neighboring tribes might have discovered variants in local areas resources, it is when trade develops with a other from far off lands than that it becomes really interesting. Means space and timing. Space and time means what? Like for example, in cyber law we have a geographical indication. Geographical indication means what? जो एक जियोग्राफिकली आपके पास जो अवेलेबल है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे आप इसका एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हो कोल्हापुर का, राइट? कोल्हापुर में क्या फेमस है? कोल्हापुरी चप्पल. यस और नो? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस. सो अगर देखो टाइम एंड स्पेस बिजनेस मॉडल में कैसे इफेक्ट करेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे हम लोगों ने कोल्हापुर का एग्जाम्पल लिया. if that if demand of that Kolhapuri chappal is rises in Kolhapur only, so उनको जरूरत है बाहर जाने की, मतलब वो इम्पोर्ट
No,
करेंगे,
ma'am.
वो एक्सपोर्ट करेंगे, लाइक मुंबई एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, लाइक वो यूएसए एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, जरूरत है? नहीं है, बिकॉज द कस्टमर्स आर इनसाइड द कोल्हापुर ओनली, right? The customers are inside the Kolhapur only. That means they don't need to they don't need a time to travel. They don't need time. They don't worry about the space or the long distance of a villages. Okay, so geographic indication, or you can say the business you can run at your place also, but with the appropriate demand, or you can say the appropriate customers. Okay, a merchant might sell skill made in his village to a region where their clothes are rare and in demand in exchange for aromatic spices which will be highly prized back home. Yes, some businesses are like you are giving some skill. You are इन कोलकाता अगर आप देखोगे, जो भी आप ये करते हो, गोल्ड परचेज करते हो, राइट? गोल्ड ज्वेलरी परचेज करते हो, तो वो गोल्ड ज्वेलरी बनाने का काम मोस्ट ऑफ द मीन्स 90% लोग कोलकाता से बिलोंग करते हैं. जो गोल्ड बनाते हैं, ज्वेलरी बनाते हैं, 90% ऑफ लोग वो वहां से बिलोंग करते हैं, बिकॉज दे हैव दैट स्किल. Right? So this is what that village, that you can say that city is giving you the skill. अब not necessary कि like your गोल्ड जो है वो सिर्फ कोलकाता में ही बनता है और फिर कोलकाता में ही सिर्फ ज्वेलरी बिकती है, ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं. सेल होता है, राइट? गोल्ड ज्वेलरी जो है वो पूरे थ्रू आउट इंडिया, थ्रू आउट वर्ल्ड आप कर सकते हो, राइट? सेल कर सकते हो. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? the skills, the Kolkata people will give you the skills, right? या फिर सम आप लोगों ने सम देखा होगा कुछ ऐसे लाइक विलेजेस है जहाँ पे लोग क्लोथ्स पर डिजाइन बनाते हैं, एम्ब्रॉयडरी करते हैं, राइट, ऐसे भी कुछ विलेजेस यहाँ पे अपने यहाँ पे हैं. तो they are what giving? They are giving the skills. They are exchanging the skills. Okay. So, but the long distance trade brings with it a whole set of problems. Obviously, when your business is having long distance trade means what? Long long distance trade means what? अगर आप आपकी चीज, जो भी आपकी चीज है, उसको अगर आप एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हो या फिर उसको अगर आप ट्रांसपोर्ट कर रहे हो. Okay, so what are the problems? So they have to carry longer quantities of goods for a sale. Yes, एक लेके तो नहीं बेचने के लिए जाओगे, आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, लॉन्ग क्वांटिटी, जो भी मैक्सिमम क्वांटिटी है, मैक्सिमम क्वांटिटी में आपको वो वहां पे लेके जाना है, जहाँ पे भी आपको अगर वो सेल करना है. Right, their goods and foods carried will have to last for a longer, so they will need to be protected and preserved. Yes, if goods and foods carrier means कोई भी बिजनेस, लाइक गुड्स का बिजनेस है या फिर फूड्स का बिजनेस है, जब तक आप वहां तक पहुंचते नहीं है, राइट, until and unless we reach there, until and unless we will sell them, right, up to that time we have to preserve the things. Okay, we have to preserve the things. That means whatever the business you are doing, whatever the goods business or the product business you are doing, that should be protected or that should be preserved for a long time if you are doing the long distance business. Okay, they need to have a reliable means of transport for themselves and their merchandise. Yes, if we are transporting some product from one place to another place, we have to know the reliable means of a transport. Reliable means of a transport means what? एक ऐसा ट्रांसपोर्ट जहाँ पे आपके प्रोडक्ट को कुछ भी हानि ना, राइट, कुछ भी इशू ना हो आपके प्रोडक्ट को, राइट. अगर जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल हम लोग यहाँ पे अपना जो ड्रग्स कंपनी इन द सेंस अपना मेडिसिन ड्रग्स जो बनाते हैं कंपनी वो है, अगर उनको सपोज कोई ये करना है, लाइक एक्सपोर्ट करना है, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कोविड में हम लोगों ने हाइड्रोक्लोरोक्साइड टैबलेट एक्सपोर्ट किया था, याद है, देखा था न्यूज में, यस और नो?
यस मैम.
राइट, आपने वो एक्सपोर्ट किया था, हम लोगों ने, इंडिया ने वो एक्सपोर्ट किया था. तो इंडिया ने अगर वो टैबलेट अगर इंडिया को एक्सपोर्ट करना है तो क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स देखेंगी इंडिया कि बाबा जो भी ट्रांसपोर्ट मोड है वो प्रॉपर होना चाहिए. प्रॉपर इन द सेंस आपके प्रोडक्ट को कोई इशू नहीं होगा. सेकेंड थिंग, दैट thing or that medicine should be reached before time. Before time means what? अगर आपने जो टैबलेट एक्सपोर्ट किया है, अगर उसका एक्सपायरी डेट अगर उसका एक्सपायरी डेट, सपोज स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
यस मैम.
दिख रहा है ना स्क्रीन? ओके. अगर उसका एक्सपायरी डेट अगर 1 मंथ के बाद है, तो वो 1 मंथ के बाद पहुंचने के बाद 1 मंथ के बाद अगर पहुंचेगा तो कुछ मीनिंग है उसका? नो, राइट. सो the mean of a transport means what? It should be a reliable mean of a transport. Preservation is also way, beta. Yes, preservation is also a way of transporting goods through a time. Yes, within the time and within the life of that product, the goods or the product should be reached to the customer and it should be prevented till the customer get it. Okay, so these are the, you can say a long term, the long term preservation or your long term distance trade problem is there. A farmer or a trader who can afford to not sell all produce during the harvest can fetch a better price months later at a higher price. Okay, ऐसे भी कुछ businesses है, ऐसे भी कुछ है कि जब आपने उसको प्रोड्यूस किया तब उसका डिमांड बहुत कम है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं अम्ब्रेला. ओके, अम्ब्रेला कब यूज करते हो? मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट इज यूज्ड इन
रेनी सीजन.
ओके, रेनी सीजन. बट उसका प्रोडक्शन जो है, अगर कोई कंपनी उसका प्रोडक्शन कर रहा है तो वो प्रोडक्शन सिर्फ रेनी सीजन में करेगा? नो।
यस।
अगर ऐसे नहीं, अगर उसका प्रोडक्शन अगर सिर्फ रेनी सीजन में होगा तो बाकी जो उनके पास अगर जो भी वर्कर्स काम कर रहे हैं वो सिर्फ 4 ही महीना काम करेंगे, वापस उसको 4 महीने के बाद निकाल दोगे और वापस वो कहीं और काम करने के लिए जाएंगे, ऐसे हो सकता है? नो।
मैम वो लोग बना के स्टॉक करके रखते हैं।
यस, दे prepare the things, they produce the thing, they manufactures the thing, but वो सेल कब करेंगे? in that period only, right? In that period only. That means what? कि अगर आप कोई भी प्रोडक्शन, जैसे फार्मर का है, फार्मर सिर्फ 4 ही महीने काम करता है? नहीं ना, वो तो पूरे 12 महीने काम करता है, पूरे 12 महीने काम करते हैं, बट वो कैसे सीजन वाइज काम करता है। सीजन वाइज मीन्स व्हाट? गेहूं और चावल का कोई सीजन नहीं है, राइट? बराबर, उसके लिए आपको वो 12 महीने खाने का है, तो उसके लिए कोई सीजन नहीं है। बट बाकी के जो है, बाकी के जो बीन्स वगैरह है उसके लिए कुछ ना कुछ सीजन्स होते हैं, बाकी के जो वेजिटेबल्स है उसके लिए सीजन्स होते हैं, तो वो सीजन वाइज अपना काम करते हैं फार्मर, राइट? दैट मीन्स सम product are like season wise production and some production are throughout the year the production is going on, but the better price they can get in a season only, in a particular season only. For example, your umbrella. Okay, so money then abstracted trade further, seeing setting and easy to calculate exchange rate between the fixed country, fixed currency. Okay, a certain size disc of gold or weight of grain. Yes, that means what? सब पहले पता है ऐसे ये होता था, लाइक इन लाइक 100-200 years ago ऐसे होता था कि मैं आपको अगर ये लाइक ये ग्रेन्स अगर मैं आपको देता हूँ तो आप उसके बदले में मुझे कुछ गोल्ड दोगे, या फिर उसके बदले में आप मुझे कुछ स्पेस दोगे, लाइक कोई जगह है वो बेचोगे, राइट? सो ऐसे आपका डीलिंग ट्रांजेक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ, राइट? पहले सब कुछ, पहले अभी मनी में सब कुछ कन्वर्ट हुआ, बट पहले ऐसे नहीं था। पहले क्या करते थे लोग? एक सर्विस देते थे, एक सर्विस लेते थे, मनी का कुछ उसमें इश्यू ही नहीं था। ओके, बट उसमें फिर वो हम लोग चेक कर, उसमें वो लोग ऐसे देखते थे कि हाँ ठीक है, मैंने जो सर्विस दिया है उसके बदले में क्या आना चाहिए, तो ये थिंग आनी चाहिए, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग उसके आगे पीछे करके कुछ वो लोग उसका ट्रांजेक्शन होता था। पहले ट्रांजेक्शन ऐसे ही होते थे, यस और नो? मनी ट्रांजेक्शन थे पहले?
यस मैम।
राइट,
नहीं मैम।
पहले ट्रांजेक्शन ऐसे ही थे कि आप मुझे कुछ सर्विस दोगे तो मैं आपको उसके बिहाफ में और मैं आपको कुछ सर्विसेज दूंगा, राइट? सो दिस टाइप ऑफ business also there. Then ease of calculation which this development brought with it made it easier to develop new business models such as the development of interest on a loans. Yes, वहां से हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया, जहाँ पे हम लोग सिर्फ सर्विसेज के बदले में सर्विसेज दे रहे थे, वहां से हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया, एंड नाउ वी आर एट पोजिशन कि जहाँ पे हम लोग सर्विसेज भी दे रहे हैं एंड मनी भी दे रहे हैं। मीन्स कोई अगर सर्विस हम लोग कोई अगर प्रोडक्ट सर्विस अगर हम लोग परचेज करें तो उसके बदले में हम लोग मनी भी दे रहे हैं और कुछ सर्विसेज भी दे रहे हैं। दैट मीन्स बोथ द मॉडल वी हैव एक्सेप्टेड, राइट? बोथ द मॉडल, ये भी है और वो भी है। देन सी फ्रॉम क्राफ्ट टू मास प्रोडक्शन। पहले क्या था कि सिंगल प्रोडक्शन था, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल सिर्फ लिमिटेड प्रोडक्शन था। अब हम लोग मास प्रोडक्शन करते हैं। मास प्रोडक्शन मीन्स बहुत सारा प्रोडक्शन एक ही टाइम। सो ये देखो यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल दिया है, गुटनबर्ग डेमोन्स्ट्रेट हिज प्रिंटिंग प्रेस circa 1450. In 1450 he demonstrated a printing press. Printing press means जो लाइक न्यूज़पेपर है या फिर कोई अगर प्रिंटिंग है तो वो प्रिंटिंग प्रेस उसने 1450 में स्टार्ट किया। नाउ व्हाट इज द मोटो बिहाइंड दैट प्रिंटिंग प्रेस? प्रिंटिंग प्रेस के उसका मोटो क्या होना चाहिए? मोटो इज दैट टू रीच द मैक्सिमम पीपल. Now always you can see like with printing material, or you can say our newspaper, then our magazine, okay, through which the author or the publisher or the editor can reach the maximum people, right? So that is also a type of business, okay? Then information is no longer so rare and valuable that is must be preserved by gatekeepers, but can be so widely spread that everyone can have access to it. That means what? If you are having some material to read, if you are having some material to read, you can preserve that. You can preserve that product, or you can preserve that material with the copyright also. Here the gatekeeper means copyright. Okay, but it should be available to all. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैंने कुछ लिखा है और सिर्फ मुझे ही पता है. आपको वो अगर किसी को नहीं लाइक किसी ने अगर ऐसे आपको मन है कि नहीं, नो वन शुड एक्सेस माय डेटा, नो वन शुड टेक माय डेटा, तो आप कॉपीराइट यूज करो, बट आपका डेटा लोगों तक पहुंचने दो. ओके, बट आपका डेटा लोगों तक पहुंचने दो, बिकॉज इट इज एन इंफॉर्मेशन. It is an information. So if you are giving some information to the people, that information should be preserved by some functions, for example like copyright, patents, okay, trademarks, but it should be available to the people on internet also and in other format also. As the printing press spread the new world and India via the sea routes that would be discovered by the end of the century. That means ये printing press कहीं और start हुआ, but with the technology you can say, or with the long distance routes we can say, it is there in India also, and now it is in world also. Okay, so the things which are producing or the business we are carried out, that business, that product should be reached to the maximum people or maximum number of people. The cost of printing would become ever smaller as the technology spread, leading to new business model with the rise of newspaper and pamphlets. Yes, obviously the technology, when it is spread, the cost is also getting low, because the technology spreads the information and the technology is increase its like the technology is increased day by day, right? So with the help of technology, the cost of printing would be low. Okay, for example, see other example they have given as fast food franchises begin in the 1930s and exploded with the McDonald's and Burger King in 1950s. Okay, in 1950s the McDonald's and Burger King's arises, and after that many franchises open in India also and in throughout the world also, and we are getting each type of food now, right? We are getting Germany food, we are getting US foods, they are getting our Indian foods, right? So with the franchises we can get any type of food now in a days. Okay, then the long tail of the internet. आप देख सकते हो ये एग्जाम्पल, समझ रहे हैं कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है? इमेज याद आया कुछ?
टेम्पल रन
हाँ
की तरह दिख रहा है, टेम्पल रन की तरह थोड़ा दिख रहा है, क्या मालूम. नहीं वेट मैम, ये सेतु को एक, हाँ मैम समझा, वो हनुमान जी अपनी पूंछ के ऊपर बना के बैठे हैं.
yes समझा. हाँ, so that is the, now they have given this example as a long tail of internet. That means how we can use internet to develop our business. Okay, for example, see the Tim Berners-Lee first demonstration of the World Wide Web in 1990s. सबसे पहले उसने सिर्फ वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब 1990 में ओपन किया. It took only 5 years for eBay and Amazon to open up shop and emerge another 5 years later as not only survivors but the victors of the .com bubble. That means what? Just 5 years में Amazon और eBay ने इतना उनका बिजनेस इतना डेवलप किया, इतना डिफाइन किया, इतना एस्टैब्लिश हुआ उनका बिजनेस. नाउ दे आर, एज यू नो, आज भी अमेजन का सेल चल रहा है, कितने लोग अमेजन सेल का फायदा उठा रहे हैं, राइट? सो दे आर ग्रोइंग देयर बिजनेस विद द इंटरनेट. ओके, दे आर ग्रोइंग देयर बिजनेस विद द इंटरनेट. नाउ अमेजन का खुद का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कुछ है क्या? है? अमेजन का खुद का कुछ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है? अमेजन का कोई?
नो मैम.
No, they are dealing
मैम
with
है
the
ना
है
मैम,
मैम।
अमेजोन अलेक्सा।
yes अभी उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया है
फायर
but
स्टिक वगैरह।
yes but आपको क्या लगता है वो अमेजोन खुद बना रहा है फायर स्टिक? खुद बना
हो
रहा है फायर
सकता है।
स्टिक बैठ के?
नहीं।
No, they are
मैम उसने
purchasing.
आईटी
They
हायर
are
किया
see,
है।
yes, they are hiring or you can say they are purchasing and they are giving their tag. अगर आप कोई चीज बना रहे हो, जैसे अगर फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज मैंने चंद्रमा को बोला कि चंद्रमा मुझे, आप आर्टिस्ट हो, मुझे ना दिन के 10 पेंटिंग बना के चाहिए, बट मैं आपका नाम कहीं पे नहीं लगाऊंगी, मैं सब जगह पे मेरा नाम लगाऊंगी, सिर्फ मुझे आपका पेंटिंग चाहिए, उसके बदले में आपको जो मुझसे जो भी प्राइस चाहिए वो मैं देने के लिए रेडी हूँ। तो अगर उसने 1000 रुपए का पेंटिंग का 2000 रुपए मुझसे लिया, सो उसका काम हुआ, उसको पैसे का मतलब था, तो उसने पैसा लिया। अब पब्लिश मुझे करना है तो मैं मेरा नाम डाल दूंगी, वैसे ही अमेज़न का है। What is my point? What is my point? They are not making or
Yes,
they
ma'am.
are not producing the things, right? But they are giving their name to that product to do the business, or you can say to do the profit. Okay, so it is also a type of business, because see, Amazon, or you can say Amazon, they have the factory of they have the inventory, but all the small scale business or startup business, they don't have the inventory, right? They don't have inventory. So what they do what, they tie up with the Amazon. That means what? Yes, I will give you some data, or I will give you some this much of product, and you have to sell this, because I never want to go home to home and sell the things. Yes, you can take my things, and whatever the price I have decided, that price you can give me, and whatever the profit margin you want to take, you take it, right? So this type of business is also there. That means what? Just to tie up with the companies to buy the products. ऐसे भी हो सकता है, राइट? कि मैंने आपको सिर्फ बोला है कि मुझे पैसा चाहिए, बाकी आप आपका प्रॉफिट मार्जिन कितना भी रखो, बट मुझे ये मेरे जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैं बना रही हूँ वो सेल होने चाहिए. So that is also a business. So see, this long tail internet giants helps this process by aggregating products from smaller providers, as with Amazon marketplace or eBay seller. Means the small sellers, or you can small investors, you can say, or small creators, you can say, they will aggregate with the Amazon or eBay or Flipkart, whatever the possible business is there. They are tied up with there, and they are giving their products to sell that. That is called as an outsource. This helps thousands of small third-party traders. This helps thousands of small third-party traders exist. Third-party traders means they are manufacturing, they are resellers, they are vendors. So like this, they are exist, but also makes money for the aggregator, who don't have to handle the inventory or delivery at all, having outsourced it to the long tail. Yes, that means what? They are aggregating the functions, the features with the business, with the corresponding business, or you can say the traders, so that they don't need to they don't need to store the product, or they don't need to deliver the product. आपने क्या किया? उसको डिलीवरी और इन्वेंटरी दोनों का आपने उसको एक्सेस दे दिया और बोला है ठीक है, आप मुझे ये दोनों चीजें आप ये करो, सिर्फ मैं आपको प्रोडक्ट दूंगा, राइट? So this is how your business can work. Okay, so what we learn from the history. So what we have learned that we could apply to an Internet of Thing project that we want to turn into a viable and profitable business. If we want to make a profitable business, you have to apply your mind as well as internet, so that you can reach the maximum people. Okay, so first we have seen that some models are ancient, such as a make thing and sell it. The way you make it or the way you sell it may change, but the basic principle has held in millennia. Means what? First is you are creating and you are selling The second is new technologies have inspired new business models. Means we are creating, but we are not selling. We are dealing with some third-party vendor, and that third-party vendor will deal with the people. Okay. And third is, although there are recurring patterns and common models, there are countless variations, subtle changes, and to a single factor such as a manufacturing process or the way you pay for a product or resources. Okay, that means whatever you are doing, whatever you are creating a product, that can be outsourced, or that can be made through some resources, and then these resources can knock the effect